What's the meaning of audit? Audit. Audit.
Audit. Audit. Audit refers to the examination and verification of financial records, transactions, and statements to ensure their accuracy, legality, and compliance with regulatory requirements. The result of an audit is a report that details the findings of the examination and identifies areas of non-compliance or potential errors and risks. The report also includes recommendations for remedial actions to address any identified issues and improve financial reporting processes. Overall, an audit aims to provide assurance to stakeholders that the organization's financial information is reliable and trustworthy.